Well. I pick up the camera and she's got it at 13%. Where's he at back there? You coming? All right, another project I decided to continue. I'd started the other day. Show you guys inside the area by the grass. So goal here is white rocks along the border, and then looking at maybe doing some footsteps or pavers through, and then have all this grass. Right now it's half grass, half weed. And right now we're running a trench down. So what I'm doing with this trench is our main water service is up here. I will tie into that, run a line over, have my zone valves right here, and have one line feeding the grass area. And I'll probably put another zone valve for a drip system of some sort to feed the two trees over there. I gotta clean all this up, looks like crap. But that is a project also while the chickens are ongoing. So I shall keep you posted. Wow. Oh no, and I look old. Huh. Alright, well, done for the day. That's one thing I've noticed in all these videos that we do. Kind of do the videos for fun. Not many people watch. I say alright a lot. I need to stop that. But out here in the grass area, I've shown some video of what I was going to do. Got the pipe tied. Pipe coming up. Gonna tie it in over there. This is kind of, all this is up my alley being a plumber. Ran it. It's right there. Had a second thought. I'm gonna tee off. Run another sprinkler over there and probably another one to over there. Gonna have one sprinkler right there. Might even stub up another one and run some drip to these plants, and maybe add some more plants in between, and put a border around to keep all the grass out of there, because we made that mistake. We didn't really know we were going to put grass here. Put the dwarf nectarine tree and put a little border around it, and the grass just took over. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to probably just put a border around the whole thing. Got a sprinkler head there, line coming down, sprinkler head here, sprinkler head here, and sprinkler head at the bottom. So I'm gonna have to get a lot of white rock filling along the whole house. The problem is there's no gutters, so when these things rain, it just pours down, hits right here and splatters. One of the big problems is the rain pours down from up there and it actually comes right off of this tip right here and lands down and then splatters all over the house. So that's what I'm trying to alleviate with the splattering. But what I'd like to do is be able to just have this whole area as grass. Let Scotty come out during the hot summer times, turn it on. In all reality, this I just threw seed down I just sprinkled a bunch of seed, ran the drip system because it was super quick and easy, and just wanted to see if grass was going to grow, how easy it was going to grow. Grew pretty easy. It's going a little dormant now. I think it's kind of confused. It's 70 something today. But yeah, I'm going to spread grass all out here. Have this whole area grass with some little pavers like I had mentioned. But yeah, done for the day. Time to go in and relax and watch some college football. Back at it, out here in the yard. Look what I've done to my yard. Alright, so going to get started on rebuilding all this. Gonna put in a new shutoff, new hose bib, and a tie-in for the sprinklers. This should go good, hopefully, if all goes as planned. We'll have this, and then tie in some sprinklers over to there to a zone valve. Let's get into it. Okay, first part's all done. Oh man, battery's about to die. Have to go give this thing to Miss Wifey. Not the prettiest soldering job I've ever done because I'm not concerned about the way it looks because it's all going to be wrapped up anyways. But main house shut off. Before the main house shut off, sprinkler tie-in, that will go over, feed the zone valves, feed the sprinklers. And the reason I do this is, let's say if you want to go away on vacation, I can turn this guy off, leave this guy on, so the house is off, and my grass won't die while I'm gone. God, it's so irritating. This water just won't stop dripping. Might even have to go and replace the shutoff for the water heater. So now I just got to put a hose bib right here, T, solder that all up, and then get to running some PVC. Honestly, my least favorite thing to do. This with copper. Copper's good to go. Water's on. I don't have to let it dry for 4, 6, 24, whatever hours. That's why I hate PVC. But up here there's a lot of PVC, so I got to get used to it. It's not the end of the world. It's just a little bit more time consuming. So, all right, let's get back to you. And the saga continues. Oh, Wu-Tang. Yeah, this is pretty ugly, some parts. I didn't want to go run to Home Depot to try to get longer pieces of pipe and deal with all that, so I just did what I normally do with copper, but hey, it'll work. So all the zone valve's going to be right there. Might drop it down a little bit further, but we'll see. So from there it'll come out, tee off. That's what I'm talking about right there. These fittings are a little wonky, but it'll work. Sprinklers. So I'll have one valve or one sprinkler right here. We'll go over to another sprinkler right there. Come over to another sprinkler right there. And then work its way down. Tee off. Go one over there. Go one right there. And then 3 down along that way. I should probably put in another line right there, but I think that they have ones where you can tie in a drip to the sprinkler, so that's what I'll most likely do. So, of course, kid comes out and says hi and leaves his little cracker jar. The joys of working with a 3-year-old. Alright, let's get, so over here, got all this done. So now you can really see what I'm talking about. Got the shut off, sprinkler shut off, main shut off, main's on, so water's back onto the house. Happy family, happy family. Hose bib for a hose. Now I'm gonna tie in the PVC line to go over there and tie into that. Let's get it done. And just like that, sprinklers are hopefully all done. Have not tested them yet, but got the zone valve in, tied into the main water service over there. And I put heads on. These aren't all the right heads. I got too many 90-degree heads. Went with the brass because I'm notorious for running over sprinkler heads and ending their life. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sprinkler heads for this tiny little area. So that is my story, and I'm sticking to it. Still got a lot more work and a lot more rock. Need to look into getting like a bulk order of white rock to fill all this in. Gotta still hammer it all down. Have it go over there. Gotta pull weeds. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this area. I think I might just ground cover it. Get like some bark or something and cover it. We shall see. Shall keep you guys posted.